Are you looking for a powerful, efficient, and feature-packed laptop for 2025? Whether you're a student, a professional, or a content creator, the Pavilion 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop might be just what you need. Stick around as we dive deep into its features, performance, and real-world usability. Let's get started. Starting off with the design. The Pavilion 15.6-inch boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic. The touchscreen display is a standout feature, offering crisp Full HD visuals that make everyday tasks and entertainment much more immersive. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by a 10-core Intel Core i5-1235U processor that delivers impressive speeds for multitasking, gaming, and creative workloads. With 32 gigabytes of RAM, you can say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless performance. When it comes to connectivity, this laptop does not disappoint. Featuring Wi-Fi 6. Expect blazing fast internet speeds, perfect for video conferencing and cloud computing. And let's talk about battery life. With an extended battery backup, you can work all day without needing to stay plugged in. Out of the box, this laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 and a full suite of Microsoft 365 apps. Whether you're working on documents, making presentations, or video calling, you have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. So, is the Pavilion 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop worth it? With powerful specs, a stunning touchscreen display, and seamless performance, it's definitely one of the best choices for 2025. Whether you're a student, professional, or gamer, this laptop offers great value for money. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.